Did you know that an owl could fly right past your face and you'd never hear it? That's because owls are built for silence. While most birds make noise when they flap, owls don't. Their feathers are different. The front edges are soft and serrated, breaking up the air as they fly. The surface of their wings absorbs sound like a sponge. That means no whoosh, no flutter, no warning. By the time their prey hears anything, it's already too late. Silent and precise. Perfect hunters of the night. Subscribe to uncover more secrets of nature.